annual New Year's meet at Science of Speed here in Chandler. These guys, if you couldn't already tell, they specialize in Honda S2000 and Acura NSX stuff. So we're getting together with a group here on a beautiful Saturday morning. Ty's TSX here, still looking good, track machine. There's another custom. That color is wild. Could be a wrap. I think it is a wrap because look how it's kind of 3D right here. That is funny. Oh, that's hilarious. Because I saw full of them. Behind the scenes at Science of Speed in Chandler. These guys have been around since 1999. This is a new location with a much larger footprint as of a couple years ago, but phenomenal work that they do. I've had my NSX serviced here since I got it in 2011, and the attention to detail is on point in here. This car should look familiar. This is my buddy Sean's NSX. I did a video on it because the mileage was over 400,000 when I filmed last time. It looks like it, you can't see it, I can. It says 426 now. I'll have to double check what it was reading when I did the video last year, but such a cool survivor car. 426,000 miles. I'll post a link in the video for the video I did on this not too long ago. To Las Vegas, Nevada today in my four-wheel steer Prelude. It's been a minute since this thing left town. I figured it needs a few miles, and what better place to take it. Las Vegas, Nevada in my '89 Prelude. This is a very special occasion because the first place I ever came on a car meet was here 24 years ago. And it was in a Prelude. It was in my '89 SI that I drove in high school. So today I'm gonna go try and find the exact parking space that I parked in with my Prelude almost 25 years ago. Let's see how this goes. Guys, I think I'm pretty darn close. This is hilarious. I'm the only person on this level, and I kind of love it because I was worried about being able to find the spot. So let's see if I can get this thing lined up. So this is the picture from May of 2000 at the Excalibur, which is where I am. A lot of stuff has changed, holy cow. I think the building there above the black car matches what now says Park MGM. This is confusing. 25 years does a lot. And then on the other side, we have this lineup with, see the red main turret there. Crazy. HondaPrelude.com. That website went offline a long time ago. You can see, look at the roller coaster there. There it is in the far background there. Talk about a trip. Now, I think I might have been either over one space or over three spaces because you guys see the block behind me on the passenger side. So I might move the car and see if that's going to be more like the spot I was in. That's feeling pretty accurate there, because if you look at the background, there was a row of 5th gen Preludes, and the second sort of pillar in from left on that side, I was across from that, so you can see I'm across from it here. That's the exact same space I was in 2000. And then we'll shift to this side. Wish the lighting was a little bit better so the shadows weren't so harsh, but there's the lineup. Just crazy. Gonna set up a quick photo here and then head on over. I've got some friends in town for a birthday celebration, and gonna be a fun evening here on the town. You can see behind me is the famous Luxor Hotel. You've got Mandalay Bay back there. Those have all been around since easily the 90s. We'll call that a success story. Only thing missing was a group of Preludes to hang out with me. Maybe I'll have to get involved with a national Honda Prelude meet? NHPM, is that a thing? Anyway, something to think about. That little ordeal just cost me 23 bucks for like the 20 minutes I was sitting there. Whatever. Price to pay for reliving a precious memory. And that's gonna do it. Here's tonight's overnight stay at the Marriott Vacation Club Grand Chateau. I don't think people steal CDs anymore, but I'm gonna put them in the trunk anyway, just so there's not a bunch of crap in the car.